Econometric analysis and time series forecasting are essential tools for modern researchers, economists, and analysts. One powerful software that simplifies these complex tasks is Econometric Views. Designed for statistical modeling, forecasting, and time series analysis, Econometric Views offers a user-friendly interface combined with powerful analytical capabilities. In this video, we'll introduce you to the essentials of using Econometric Views, from importing data and running regression models to performing advanced analyses like ARIMA modeling and forecasting. Whether you are a student or a seasoned analyst, understanding how to apply econometric models using Econometric Views can unlock deeper insights into your data. You'll learn how to decompose time series data into trend and seasonal components, build models using autoregressive and moving average methods, and interpret outputs like coefficients, p-values, and diagnostic tests. We'll also cover forecasting techniques and how to evaluate your models using metrics like root mean squared error and mean absolute error. With its compatibility across multiple data formats and intuitive workflow, Econometric Views stands out as a valuable tool in both academic and professional settings. Mastering it can transform how you analyze economic trends, financial data, and business performance over time.